Have you ever swallowed a supplement, waited an hour, and felt absolutely nothing? You're not imagining it. And it's not your body's fault. Millions of men over 60 take capsules and tablets every day for blood flow, for energy, for performance, and wonder why the results never quite match the promise on the label. The problem isn't what you're taking, it's how your body receives it. And today we're going to fix that. What you're about to learn has been used in emergency medicine for over a century, but almost no one has applied it to male performance, until now. Today we'll cover 3 things. First, why most oral supplements lose the majority of their potency before they ever reach your bloodstream. Second, the delivery method that bypasses that loss entirely. And third, a simple protocol you can try tonight, with compounds you can find at any health store. Here's something that may surprise you. When you swallow a capsule or tablet, that compound doesn't go straight into your blood. It first passes through your stomach, where acids begin breaking it down. Then it travels to your liver, where enzymes metabolize it further. This process is called first-pass metabolism. Think of it like pouring coffee through a filter. What goes in at the top is rich and concentrated, but by the time it passes through, much of the strength has been stripped away. A 2008 study published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found that when L-Arginine, one of the most common blood flow supplements, is taken orally, a significant portion is lost to this first-pass effect before it ever reaches circulation. L-Citrulline, a related compound, was shown to bypass this process almost entirely and raise blood arginine levels far more effectively than arginine supplements themselves. So if you've been taking arginine capsules and wondering why they don't seem to work, this is the reason. Your liver has been filtering out the very thing you're paying for. But there's a route that skips the stomach and the liver entirely. It's called sublingual delivery, placing a compound in powder form directly under the tongue. It's the difference between mailing a letter across the country and handing it directly to the person standing in front of you. Under your tongue, a thin layer of tissue sits directly above a dense network of blood vessels. Compounds dissolve, pass through that membrane, and enter your bloodstream in minutes, not hours, minutes, and this isn't new. Nitroglycerin tablets have been placed under the tongue to treat heart emergencies since the 1870s. Doctors have trusted this route for over a century when speed and reliability matter most. It simply hasn't been widely applied to performance and blood flow, until recently. Now, 2 compounds stand out for sublingual use. The first is L-Citrulline. A study from the University of Foggia, published in the journal Urology in 2011, tested 24 men with mild erectile difficulty. Their average age was 56. After just 1 month of citrulline supplementation at 1.5 grams per day, 50% of the men improved from partial to full erection hardness. The placebo group? Only 8%. And there were 0 reported side effects. The second is beetroot powder. Beetroot is rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide through a completely different pathway than citrulline. A 2022 meta-analysis of 7 clinical trials, published in Frontiers in Nutrition, found that beetroot juice reduced systolic blood pressure by nearly 5 millimeters of mercury. And research in the journal Nutrients showed that older adults actually respond more strongly to beetroot nitrates than younger adults do. Think of your blood vessels like a garden hose with a kink in it. Nitric oxide is what straightens the kink. Citrulline and beetroot both produce nitric oxide, but through different doors. Together they cover both pathways. But knowing what to put under your tongue is only half the equation. How you do it, the technique, the timing, the mistakes most men make. That's what separates real results from wasted powder. Before we get to the protocol, drop a number in the comments. 1 if you've been taking supplements with no results. 2 if you've heard of sublingual delivery before. 3 if this is completely new to you. I'm genuinely curious. Here is the step-by-step protocol. Step 1. Start with a clean mouth. Rinse with water. Don't eat or drink anything for at least 10 minutes before. This removes food residue and allows maximum contact between the powder and the tissue under your tongue. Step 2. Measure your dose. For L-Citrulline, start with 1.5 grams. For beetroot powder, 1 gram. If you want to enhance absorption further, add 5 milligrams of piperine, the active compound in black pepper, which research suggests may support mucosal uptake. Step 3. Place the powder directly under your tongue. Don't swallow it. Hold it there for 3 to 5 minutes. Move it gently with your tongue to increase surface contact. This is the window where absorption happens. Step 4. Timing matters. Take your sublingual dose 20 to 30 minutes before the moment matters. This allows enough time for nitric oxide levels to rise and vascular response to engage. Step 5. Amplify the effect. In the 20 minutes after your dose, drink a full glass of mineral-rich water and do 2 to 3 minutes of light movement, walking, gentle stretching, or even just standing and shifting your weight. This activates circulation and helps distribute the compounds more evenly. Now, 3 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Swallowing too soon. If you swallow the powder within 30 seconds, you've just turned a sublingual dose into a regular oral dose. And you're back to the first pass problem. Mistake 2. Taking it right after eating. A full stomach means more blood flow to digestion and less mucosal absorption. Always take it on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes after your last meal. Mistake 3. Starting too high with niacin. Some men add niacin for its flushing effect. But if you start above 50 milligrams without testing your tolerance, the skin flushing can be intense and uncomfortable. Start with 25 milligrams. Work up slowly. What to expect? During your very first session, many men notice a subtle warmth, a sense of readiness they hadn't felt from capsules. Within the first 2 weeks of regular use, 3 to 4 times per week, you may notice more consistent response and improved confidence. By week 3 to 4, baseline circulation often improves enough that the effects become part of your new normal. This isn't about chasing your 20s. It's about showing up, fully, naturally, confidently, when it matters most. For decades, the only options men were given were pills with side effects or silence. But your body already has the machinery for strong blood flow. Sometimes it just needs the right compound, delivered through the right door. Your tongue is a shortcut your doctor never mentioned. If this gave you something useful, you can hype this video. It's free, takes 3 seconds, and helps us reach more men who need this kind of information without the sales pitch. And if you want to know which specific foods naturally raise nitric oxide levels without any powder or supplement at all, that's exactly what we cover in the next video. The link is on your screen right now, because taking care of yourself doesn't require a prescription. Sometimes it just requires the right information at the right time.